told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Melingkari bagian tengahnya. Daunnya berbentuk pita memanjang dengan tangkai yang sangat pendek. Nama latin sarang burung ini adalah Asplenium nidus. Tanaman ini tumbuh dengan baik di tempat yang lembab dan tidak terkena sinar matahari langsung. Pakis ini tumbuh menempel di pohon besar dan rindang. Pakis yang sering dikenal Kadaka ini juga bisa hidup di tanah. Di sini saya menjumpai tanaman outdoor lainnya, yaitu bromelia yang tumbuh di sekitar pakis. Banyaknya tanaman outdoor di antara Kadaka ini memberikan kesan alami yang menyegarkan. Tentu saja hal ini mempercantik dan memperindah halaman. Tanaman pakis ini bisa dijadikan alternatif yang menarik untuk menjadikan hunian kita terlihat berbeda. Demikian video kali ini tentang Kadaka sarang burung di warung makan New Intan. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Salam lestari and see you in the next video. Bye.